Hey there, here's what's coming up on HISD Now. New plans could bring more autonomy to high-performing high schools. Parent University is helping families stay connected. We're teaming up with Feed the Children at one of our Sunrise Centers, and Clifton Middle School students are accelerating in math. Plus, big news for the Heights High School Band and a fun fall event that you don't want to miss. It is Wednesday, October 22nd. Now, before we get started, don't forget that you can skip around to any story in this video with the chapters right below. So HISD is exploring new ways to give more autonomy to its top performing high schools. A level 5 autonomy would give eligible principals more flexibility to innovate while preserving their school's unique programs and school culture by partnering with organizations or nonprofits to operate and manage the school. Now, we have much more information about this new initiative that's in its very early stages. Check it out now in this new video that's up on the channel right now. And we're always looking for better ways to connect with our families, and one of those ways is through Parent University, a program organized by our Family and Community Engagement Team, or FACE for short. Now, Parent University is a series of workshops designed to empower families to become active partners in their child's education and success. These sessions cover topics like academic support, student safety, and navigating the school system. It's also a great place to get your questions answered about new tools, apps, or programs that we're using in the district. And just as important, it's a chance to also connect with district leaders and other parents from across HISD. This is video of a session that we had just yesterday, and one parent told us that he really values the connection and communication he's gained from being a part of this program.
The communication has been amazing. I've been able to attend meetings with Superintendent Miles. I've been able to attend lunches with. I'm a pastor, so we have the faith partners that HISD has. So that's another big thing that it didn't exist before. So absolutely, I would say the communication has been the number one benefit that I got from this school district.
If you want to learn more, visit the Family Connection Center office. We're located at Hattie May, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Or call us at 713-556-7121 or email us at parentassistance@houstonisd.org. You can also find this and much more on our website at houstonisd.org. Just click on the Families and Students tab. Tomorrow, HISD is teaming up with Feed the Children at the newest of our Sunrise Centers, the one at Marion Park, to provide food, essential items, books, and even toys to our families in our community. Now, this is happening again tomorrow, Thursday, October 23rd, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And for those not familiar with our Sunrise Centers, now we have 8 of them located throughout the Houston area. These are community-based hubs that offer a variety of support services, including food, clothing, medical care, school supplies, and much more. We did a series of stories on our Sunrise Centers recently in both English and Spanish. Be sure to check them out for more information. They're all on the channel in this playlist titled HISD Sunrise Centers. Students here at Clifton Middle School are involved in high-quality instruction. Today, we're taking a closer look at the accelerated math program at Clifton Middle School, where 7th graders are already tackling 8th grade level math. I spoke with a Clifton math teacher about how this program is helping students get ahead and how she's making math fun and relatable. You'll also hear from students. It's a brand new story that we just uploaded to our YouTube channel, and it's also up on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Now, we've been spotlighting Clifton all this week as part of our Campus Close-Up series. This STEM magnet campus located in Northwest Houston has a lot to offer. And tomorrow... And what do you teach?
I teach 8th grade science.
We're taking you inside the science classrooms at Clifton. I spoke with 2 teachers, one in 6th grade and one in 8th grade. Together, they're helping build a strong academic foundation and showing us what student growth looks like from start to finish. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And we want to give a special shout out to the Heights High School Band. So check out what they posted on social media. The band is advancing to the area marching contest. Now, you may remember just last week, the band scored high at the Katy ISD marching contest, and last night they competed again with the goal of getting a spot in the area competition, and they certainly reached that goal, getting straight number 1s from all the judges in last night's competition. Again, congrats to all of those students. And take a look at how much fun our families had last year at the HISD Police Department's Trunk or Treat event. It's a fun and safe alternative to trick-or-treating. Now, families who attend this year can expect the same kind of fun, costumes, candy, food, music, and much more. So get your costumes ready because this is happening next Wednesday, October 29th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the High School for Law and Justice. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. As always, we appreciate you connecting with us and sharing these stories with your community, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.